Yo, this is a message from the homeless to the thoughtless. Some people call us hobos. Some people call us bums. We prefer economically challenged. Next time you see a homeless person, don't make a joke on the homeless person. Or you think they chose to be homeless? You think they like it? Have some respect. Look out.
Yo, I'm a homeless rapper, rip coat, no house. Check that swagger, so I've always been an unlucky child. That's cause I roll fastest out, so I travel the world looking for my mama. I traveled the world looking for my father. Then I found them, so what they have, I didn't want it, cause my mum's a chav. Arrived at mum's house, I hopped off the train. Anger was pulsating and flowing through my veins. I burnt mum's house to the ground in no time. Looked in the world, turns out it was gonna be mine. When I rap, a rapper with ease. I piss in my shoes, that's why I got foot disease. The doctor said, it really doesn't matter. Apparently got a hole in my urinary bladder. Whenever I'm minding my business in the slums, people always swear at me and call me a bum. Everyone asks, what's the message of this rap? Being homeless? Man, it's totally crap. I'm good for nothing, baby. Why can't you help me? I'm just a human like you. Don't treat me different. I'd lost all hope until a girl passed my ghetto. I jumped up, winked, and said, hello. She looked me up and down, said, come see me sometime. I checked my watch and said, now it's just fine. She took me to her place and into her room. Little did I see the inevitable doom. She said, how do you like it? I said, why? Well, as it turns out, this chick was a guy. I decided my luck with women had run out. At least I can say that with no doubt. Every time I say hey, they call me a slob. Getting with them is about as hard as getting a job. So with that said, I went out to join the hood. Man, I was misunderstood. I went up to the homies with swagger, said word. Then the captain said, man, you smell like a turd. I'm good for nothing, baby. Why can't you help me? I'm just a human like you. Don't treat me different. I give it up and get no woman or a job. Hell, I couldn't even make it in the mob. So I was minding my business, taking a dump in the river when the scuba diver says, you screwed up my liver.
Listen to the tears of a homeless man. Spread the message. Help me. Let's start a revolution today. Just you and I.
I failed, and my looks were starting to decrease. I decided to save the world by joining Greenpeace. I went to the environmental minister to make a deal. He said,
I wish people would describe me as having sex appeal.
I went to talk to Tony at a political meeting. When I arrived, I received a military greeting. I tried to tell him about the plant's pollution and the litter, but all I could hear were the drones of Hail Hitler. If you see a homeless man, don't be smug. Ask him how he is and offer him a rug. Still, you ask what the message of this rap? Being homeless is totally crap.